वेलकम बैक। तुरंत आपको लेकर चलते एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो सेबी हेड ऑफिस पर हो रही है और सुनते हैं क्या बताया जा रहा है।
The numbers themselves are small, again, so it's not so representative as a large sample base. But again, now you're seeing that the aging, etc. And I think my team has made a note to say that one item which was pending is now cleared. Similarly, in terms of the next slide is on the pendency of registration of applicants. So meaning not, so in this case, for instance, mutual funds, this means new mutual funds. This does not mean new schemes of old mutual funds, but new mutual funds. Here you would see that again, while pendency is down, the aging is not that dramatic. The underlying reason is usually in the area of two categories. One is that the net worth requirement of the applicant is not being met, or that it is awaiting approvals from some other regulator. These are typically the reasons which keep these items pending for a bit longer than any of us would like. We are hoping to work with the industry to try and find a solution to these issues as well, and perhaps some kind of in principle versus final approval may solve for that problem, so that they are clear that there is no uncertainty from our side, subject to their net worth compliance and approvals from other regulators. On the AIF side, again you'll see similar pattern, close to about 70 pending items 5 quarters ago, down to just over 40, and the aging dramatic improvement. Earlier there were as many as 40 items more than 3 months. There are now 0. REITs and WITs, again, the numbers are small, but hopefully, as I said, some improvement in the aging. So to us, I think what all of this is really a manifestation of our desire and focus to make sure that capital formation happens at the speed that the market needs, and that we do not come in the way of that capital formation happening. In fact, we are facilitating this, and with this reduction in timelines and aging, we should be in a position to facilitate even faster growth of the markets. In continuation of the theme of time is money, we wanted to share some of these numbers with you because while each of these items in themselves has a very significant impact to the players, but when you aggregate it, it's even more interesting. So, and a lot of this is really driven by the technology. So, as we think about the market stack that we have in India and what it has facilitated, and just a handful of items that we put together for today shows us that as much as 3,500 crores of actual interest value. This is not the gross amount. This is the time value of money on a per annum basis. So 3,000